let's go. We do this in my city. Getting lit in my city where we know to get gritty on the beat. Let it beat.
Welcome back to the JA3G channel. I'm your host, JA3G. Alright, welcome back. I was just about to go to sleep, and then I'm like, no, I gotta get up, and I have to fulfill a video for today. It's almost like it's a part of me now. Like, I have to make a video, okay? First things first. Know the product. You guys ready? I'm seeing a lot of people come back and give me a lot more suggestions on Snow the Product, and a few other rappers which I have planned for tomorrow. I believe there's 2 or 3 videos tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, so stay tuned because I'm gonna have them popping out one after another. As we go through here, first of all, if you haven't hit that subscribe, please take a second, hit the subscribe. Alright, first things first, that's right, join the Caribbean squad. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day's going. Alright, let me know how your day's going. Give me some recommendations. I'm all for any and all recommendations. Alright, today we got Snow the Product Butter, and you guys have wanted me to react to so many different Snow the Product songs. So if you guys please go down below, and off the top ones that I haven't reacted to, go ahead and list the next. We'll go 3 songs. Your top 3 songs by Snow the Product, and then whichever ones have the most recalls or recommendation of that same song, I'll be sure to get it to you guys tomorrow night. All right. But in the meantime, you know I don't like wasting time. So today, Snow the Product, Butter. Let's get it. Alright. By the way, we are 18 subscribers away from 400. So really appreciate it if we all work together and let's do something. You know, I feel like, let me lower this. I feel like the thing's too big. Let's try that. Let's see more. There you go.
Oh, I'm a motherfucker. Tell your baby mama fuck around. Turn around, got your girl.
She said one sentence, and it's like already with the beat, already a banger. Okay, alright. For real this time. Let's go.
Oh, I'm a motherfucker. Tell your baby mama fuck around. Turn around, got your girlfriend turned out. I ain't trying to take your man, I'm trying to see what you about. If Trey can't do the job, Trish will knock the pussy out. Got you checking.
Is she lesbian? I don't know if she is, but alright.
Turn around, got your girlfriend turned out. I ain't trying.
Turned around, got your girlfriend turned
Trying
out.
to take your man, I'm trying to see what you about. If Trey can't do the job, Trish will knock the pussy out. Got you checking if I'm serious and checking if it's facts. X was a dog, bad bitches get the cat. Tell me if I'm wrong, but you ain't happy where you at. Cause girls wanna have fun, women wanna make stacks. Ooh, 25, 35, high, 45, 55, roll the dice. 65, 75, that's right. It ain't tricking if you got it, and I got the green light. Ooh, I don't want a half, bitch, I want the whole thing. Have an itty bitty, so ditty, bitch, I go both ways. All I
This is gonna be a long one. Make sure you grab your Nutri-Bar and a banana. Yeah, this is gonna be a long one. Go back.
45, 55, roll the dice. 65, 75, that's right. It ain't tricking if you got it, and I got the green light. Ooh, I don't want half, bitch, I want the whole thing. Having itty bitty, so ditty, bitch, I go both ways. All I do is make plays, hit a lick and make waves. Take a flight on vacation and make things take place. Ooh, 25, 35, high, 45, 55, roll the dice. 65, 75, that's right. It ain't tricking if you got it, and I got the green light. Ooh.
Good, Shawty, what's good? What you up to out here? Over here with your homegirls? I seen you drop the other girl off. I mean, she kind of ugly and shit. What's up though? What y'all doing tonight?
We're actually trying to go home, so if you don't mind, I need to go like that way.
Nah, drive home. What? The party just started. What? Midnight? I ain't even got a clock on me. I can just tell it's midnight.
We're right over here.
Yeah, I think I don't.
I mean, to be honest, we all trying to chill, you know, have a good time. I think y'all should back it up.
Yeah,
That's my girlfriend.
Hell nah.
My girlfriend.
Girl, girlfriend.
No, don't worry about that. No, look at this. Look at that.
No, this is. It's not like girl.
He said she could come too. He was all casual about it too, bro.
About that. No, look at this. Look at that.
No, this is. It's not like girlfriend. Like, you know, it's like girlfriend. Like that's my. The thing is that I really gotta go that way.
Why are you
like,
even talking to them? Like, because yo, just run these niggas over.
Look, they're
in my way, cause look.
She said just run him over.
To be honest, the same way they trying to get the cat, so am I. So you trying to entertain them or you trying to dip?
Can you get the fuck out my way?
Dude, I gotta hear this whole interaction one more time, bro. Oh my god.
Because just run these niggas over.
Look,
They're in my way, cause look, to be honest, the same way they trying to get the cat, so am I. So you trying to entertain them or you trying to dip?
Can you get the fuck out my way? Bro, really? No, yes, we're gay. Like gay. Like,
let's test. Let's see if you guys are really gay. When did you decide that you're really gay?
You're not sure.
Dude, the way they did was just priceless.
Right.
Yes.
Nah, I mean, you're never sure.
All the way sure?
Come on, I know you like dick. Quit playing. Y'all just sitting in the car. I mean, we got a whole. I got drinks.
Dicen que ellos no me creen que tan bonita y quito novias. Esta chula mami tumba todo, hagan memoria.
What the hell? Dude, she, you can't just come back with straight Spanish flow like that, bro.
I got drinks.
Dicen que ellos no me creen que tan bonita y quito novias. Esta chula mami tumba todo, hagan memoria. Tengo barras y dinero, tengo lo que quiero. Soy la pinche mera y hasta el puto mero. Tengo práctica y yo tengo plática y esto no para. Tu novia me odia porque a ti ya se te cae la baba. Para.
If you know, you know.
Déjale saber que es cosa rara, que se me antoje un cuerno, pero de que es la empanada. Quiere más, ya, dale más, o se te va. Quiere más, ya, dale más, o se te va. Look, I'm a big money spender and I make it quite fast. Cold drinks, hot beaches, and some white sand. Want the privileged life like a fucking white man, but I'm a cute Mexicana with a butter light tan. Lighter on the nightstand.
If you know, you know.
And higher than a kite, damn, I just lit a life, man. I'm just being polite when I be acting like I'm not the shit, but cool as ice. And walk up in this bitch and they announce who I am. I throw 25, 35, 5, 45, 55. Roll the dice, 65, 75. That's right, it ain't tricking if you got it, and I got your bitch right.
Bro. That interaction was just that interaction was just hilarious. It was just absolutely hilarious. Oh my gosh. I guess I learned something new. I didn't know she was what's it called? Lesbian, which I'm not opposed to. I mean, I don't care. You do you. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you happy? That's all that matters, right? But no, Snow the Product's definitely going to be someone on my list that I need to go see in person at a concert or something. A little house show. Same thing with Dax, because I got to see Dax. And then I got to follow up with Nasty C. He's probably not in my area, but it's okay. It's okay. Once we start making a group big enough, You know what I mean? Maybe you guys can help me get there. Alright? But I appreciate every single one of you coming out to see me react to Butter. Definitely a different side of her that I was not expecting. But it's absolutely fun. That's absolutely different. And I'm all for it. So, like I said, thank you guys for tuning in. And make sure to hit that like. Make sure to hit that subscribe. If you want more Snow the Product, like I said, take a minute. Whoever you are, if you're a Snow the Product fan, write down 3 songs in the comment section. The most requested song will be chosen for tomorrow night's video. So hope you guys do the best that you can, and I get a video out tomorrow night. Alright? But you guys stay cool, stay classy. I better see us try and punch that 400 out the window tomorrow or the day after. Alright? That's only 18 people. Okay, if we can grow 170 in a week and a half, I think we could do 18 in a day. But you guys are absolutely awesome, and we got a lot of stuff coming, a lot of exciting stuff, and I'm excited. I'm very excited for what we can do together as a Caribbean team. All right, but like I said, JA3G, and man, this Nutri Bar is good. I'm out of here. Peace.